Today we are going to make Baigan Bharta, and for this we'll need large round eggplants. And when you buy the eggplants, buy only those that are soft and springy to the touch. When you press with your thumb, they should spring back. This is the way you test them. And we'll place them over a wire mesh on full heat, and we'll roast them till they turn soft all over. So keep rotating them and cook them, or rather roast them, till the insides are also soft. The Baingan are roasted, we'll keep them aside, let them cool down completely. This is the type of grill that you can buy from the market to roast the eggplant. You can roast the Baingan or the eggplant directly on the burner as well, but then it might become a bit messy. So always better to buy this grill and roast the Baingan on this. So the eggplant have cooled down completely. We're going to remove the burnt skins completely and then wash them thoroughly under running water. After washing them, we'll keep them aside. We'll keep the pan on high heat, add oil, and while the oil is heating up, we'll chop the roasted eggplants with a knife. In this way, by holding the stalk and rotating the eggplant. So while it's almost ready and the oil is also hot, so we'll add in the chopped onions, and we are going to roast the onions, saute the onions for about 5 minutes. And now we'll add the tomatoes, and we'll stir the tomatoes for about a minute or so, and then add in the spices or the masalas. And now we'll add in the coriander or dhania powder. This is the red chilli powder, salt, and finally the garam masala. That done, we'll stir and cook the masalas and the vegetables for about 5 minutes in all. And finally, after 5 minutes, we're going to add the roasted eggplants. These have been chopped as you saw us doing it before. So we'll thoroughly mix it up so that the flesh of the eggplant mixes thoroughly with the masala, the tomatoes, the onions. Everything has mixed up well. We'll reduce the gas to low and cover it with a lid and check back after 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. We'll lift the lid and check on the vegetable. The vegetable has turned soft. Even the tomatoes and the onions have turned soft. And now we'll keep the gas on high, and without the lid we'll keep the stirring and roasting for about 5 minutes or so, till everything mixes up thoroughly, gets roasted, and our vegetable gets ready. But for now we'll add 1 teaspoon of cilantro or hara dhania, stir it in. This is for flavor, and we'll keep stir roasting the bharta till it is done. And you'll know when it is done because it will start leaving oil and the entire mass will start moving as one lump. So till then you got to roast the bharta. So keep stirring, keep the gas on low, and let the bharta cook and get roasted. So all we have to do now is to stir roast the bharta till it is done. In between, check the salt level and add if needed. And now bharta is ready. It has started moving as a single mass. It has left oil. So we'll put off the gas and transfer it to a serving bowl. And now garnish it with the remaining cilantro. So here is our dish of the day, a Punjabi dish, Baigan Bharta. It's a very delicious and popular vegetable. Do try it and give your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel.